me back, baby. You all I'm craving for. Take me back, baby.
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Ni le bien qu'on m'a fait, ni le mal, tout ça m'est bien égal. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. C'est payé, balayé, oublié. Je me fous du passé.
No, this costume's for a musical production. Team Tugno. Sounds like a hoop, but no thanks. Besides, looks like the role's already locked up. I miss dead anything she wants whenever she wants it. And I want a trailer, and a masseuse, and my own personal hairdresser, and a... Technically, she doesn't have the role yet, but I think she's the only one auditioning. Well, if Tammy wants the part, how good can it be anyway? Is there no escaping the agony in my miserable life?
Yes, that was astonishingly dramatic talent.
You're not talking about that Zero Megan, are you?
You have acting flair and style. You simply must be my King Tut.
Sorry, sir. I'm more of a skateboard chick. Hey, that part is mine.
Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. Think you're one of a kind. Here's to you, the one that always pulls us through. Always do what you gotta do. You're one of a kind. Thank God you're mine. You're an angel dressed in armor. You're the fear in every fight. You're my life and my safe harbor, where the sun sets every night. And if my love is blind, I don't wanna see the light. It's your beauty that betrays you.
¡Hostia!
Hemen gaude, ta postutzen naiz, da ziur zuri eta ere bai. Da zer ondo, zelan dijua, zure bufanda txuria. Lauteiatu gainean, ilargia erdian, eta zu gorutz behira, zure keiaz.
Ahí va, hauxe da. Nikolas txikiren bromat izango da. Bueno, gero jongo naz, a ver. Hala. Anastasio!
600 suami!
Paldiko?
Zure jaso zu mensajea?
Bai, ze mensaje?
Biak ezberdinak, baina berdinak aldi berean. Bizitzaren patua. Agur! Bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua, bizitzaren patua.
I set a pilot, I set a pilot the dune. I set a pilot, I set a pilot the dune. You better let us back some steel. You always wanted to be. Do your life or best your feet so. You always wanted to say. Do your life or take my say so. pilot the dune. I said a pilot, a pilot. I said a pilot the dune. You left your sea round through me. You always wanted to be my baby. You let it up and now so not out. You always wanted to see my baby.
Perfecto.